This tractor is slow like turtle.
Inshallah.
I need eggs to strengthen my muscles.
My goat eat all their field corpse.
True.
Watch Leo, Neymar's goat eat.
Been 45 years since you left Earth. Time works strange and fast near a black hole. I think your shuttle has time traveled.
You might have seen this type of content everywhere. AI-generated content is completely taking over platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And if you're not jumping on this crazy opportunity, you're seriously missing out. This is a game changer, and I'm about to show you exactly why. Check this out. I created this cool animated video just for fun. And wait for it. What happened to Earth? What year is it? Everything has changed. This isn't the Earth I imagined. What happened to my family? It's been 45 years since you left Earth. Time works strangely and fast near a black hole. I think your shuttle has time traveled. Now that's a pretty intense start, right? Let me explain how I went from a simple idea to creating this animated short movie with AI tools. Back in 1980, I was an astronaut on a mission to a newly discovered planet to collect some soil samples. I had to leave my wife and son behind, my only family. It was for my country, even though I knew it could be my last journey. I spent 3 years getting to this strange planet.
Please tell me what happened to Earth. And what year is it? Everything has changed. This is not the Earth I imagined. And what happened to my family?
It's been 45 years since you left Earth. Time works strange and fast near a black hole. I think your shuttle has time traveled.
This all started in 1980. I was an astronaut, and my mission was to go to a newly discovered planet and get some soil samples. I had to leave my only family, my wife, and my son. I did this for my country, even if this journey might become my last. It took me 3 years to reach the new planet, and this planet is very strange. I was able to gather the soil sample without any incident. Everything went exactly as we planned, until something strange happened.
I gathered the soil sample with no issues, everything going according to plan, until something strange happened. How I created this AI-generated short movie, step by step. Step 1, generating movie ideas with AI. All right, if you want to make something like this, the first step is to come up with a short movie idea. So I turned to ChatGPT, because why not use the best AI tool to brainstorm, right? I asked ChatGPT for a few ideas, and boom, I got tons of options in a heartbeat. One idea, wrong universe, immediately grabbed my attention. It was a science fiction story that had a lot of potential. So I asked ChatGPT to write a 5-minute script for it. And just like that, I had a solid script ready to go. Step 2, adding the perfect voiceovers. Next, I needed voiceovers for the characters. If you're thinking, how do I do that? Don't worry, I didn't record them myself. I used 11 Labs, which has the best AI-generated voices out there. The voices are super realistic and easy to customize. You can literally pick voices that suit your characters, whether they're deep and mysterious or light and fun. Sign up for 11 Labs, the link's in the description, and you'll be able to generate voiceovers in minutes. Step 3, bringing it to life with visuals. AI makes it easy. Now that I had the script and the voices, it was time for the visuals. I used DVID AI, an AI tool that's absolutely fantastic for turning ideas into stunning images, and then converting those images into videos. This is where the magic happens. When it comes to generating visuals, you need detailed prompts to get the best results. So I used ChatGPT again to help me craft those perfect prompts. I asked ChatGPT, create an image of a space shuttle launching in 1980 with people watching the takeoff, and it turned that into a detailed prompt, including all the color grading and artistic elements I needed. I then pasted that prompt into DVID AI, which turned it into beautiful cinematic images. Here's the key. To keep the look and feel consistent, you need to use the same color grading for all your images. It's important for continuity in your short film. Step 4, transforming static images into dynamic video clips. With the images ready, it was time to animate them. DVID AI has a feature where you can convert images into videos by simply uploading them and describing the movement you want to see. It's that easy. Once I uploaded the images and added a description of what should happen in the scene, like the space shuttle moving or a person talking, DVID AI took care of the rest. Within minutes, my static images turned into animated video scenes. I mean, how cool is that? AI is seriously next level. Step 5, cool AI features. you didn't know you needed now, there's one feature in DVID AI that I just have to share. It lets you combine two images to create something totally new. So I uploaded two images, one of an alien and one of a planet's surface, and then created a video that combined the two into an epic alien encounter. And here's something really cool. You can use the text-to-video feature to create videos directly from text. For example, I typed a kid playing piano at a concert, and DVID, I transformed that into a high-quality video. That's insane. Step 6. Perfecting the video with lip syncing. One of the standout features I used was the lip syncing tool. If you're making a movie with talking characters, this is a must-have. I uploaded a video where a character was supposed to speak and then synced it with the AI-generated voiceover. The result? Perfect lip movements, making it look super realistic. Step 7. Finalizing everything in CapCut. Once I had the visuals, voiceovers, and animations ready, I needed to put everything together. For that, I used CapCut, a free, easy-to-use video editor. Here's what I did. Open CapCut and choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. Import all your voiceovers and video clips. Add the clips in the right order, so everything flows naturally. Add text, like the year 1980 in the scene, and use animations to make it pop. Add sound effects from Pixabay. They're free and they really bring the video to life. Once everything's in place, export the video, and you're done. That's how I created this short movie with AI, simple, efficient, and fun.
All started in 1980. I was an astronaut, and my mission was to go to a newly discovered planet and get some soil samples. I had to leave my only family, my wife, and my son. I did this for my country, even if this journey might become my last. It took me 3 years to reach the new planet, and this planet is very strange. I was able to gather the soil sample without any incident. Everything went exactly as we planned, until something strange happened. Suddenly, something appeared in the space. It was a black hole. Gravitational pull was so strong that my shuttle was sucked into the black hole. I lost the control, and I don't remember what happened after that. All I remember is seeing the Earth through the window of my shuttle. Finally, I'm back on my home planet, but wait, what? Something is wrong here. This is not the Earth. What happened to this planet? Everything has changed. Am I in another universe?
Wait, please tell me what happened to Earth. And what year is it? Everything has changed. This is not the Earth I imagined. And what happened to my family?
It's been 45 years since you left Earth. Time works strange and fast near a black hole. I think your shuttle has time traveled.
We finally have the sample of the planet B3 after 45 years. The mission was successful.
What happened to my house? I heard that my wife passed away, and my son is now 80 years old. It's sad, but I am finally reunited with my son, who is 45 years older than me.
You can do the same too by following these steps. The secret is using the right AI tools for voiceovers, visuals, and animation, and taking advantage of the fact that AI is more powerful than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more AI content. I'll be back with more tips, and we can continue creating amazing AI-generated movies together.